With this video I show you how to insert standard discounts like multiple week discount, last minute discount and early booking discount. For this, go to Configuration, Catalogs and Prices, select the regarding catalog. I choose here the catalog in 2017 and click on the tab Discount and Packages. Here you have the 3 standard discounts like multiple week discounts, last minute discount and early booking discount. First, I insert multiple week discounts. For 2 weeks or for second week, I insert a 5% discount. For the third week, I insert a 10% discount. And for the fourth week, I insert a 15% discount. With this checkbox here in front of relevant multiple week discount shall be applied to all weeks, you set up if the discount should be applied in case of the second week discount for both weeks together, or if you uncheck this box, then the discount would be applied only for the second week and you would sell the first week for the full charter price. Now I go to set up a last minute discount. For example, I take here a 10% discount for charters from 30 days before check-in day. But I have more discounts to add. I click here on Add Discount. I select, for example, a 20% discount for charters from 14 days before check-in day. And now I want to insert a super last minute discount. I just click on Add Discount. The value here, for example, 30% and valid for 7 days before check-in day. Done this, I come to the early booking discount. Important for your better understanding here in this video is that I'm editing here a catalog for 2017 and the date of making this video is the 13th January of 2016. That means I edit here a catalog for the next year. I have to consider this when I define the order date. So I start with a nice discount, for example a 20% discount for charters from date to day. Okay, and I set up date end of this year. Please remember we are now in 2016 and I set up discounts for the catalog in 2017. So if I define here the 31 December of 2016, I would give a 20% discount for all charter in this year 2016 for the charter period in 2017. I have more discounts to offer. For doing so, I click here on Add Discount. I set up a lower discount like 10% and I define this discount should be applied for all bookings or for all orders done from the 1st January 2017 until the 31 January of 2017. And save. Good, now I have a 2-level early booking discount. I could also set up discounts in another way. Instead of having a fixed order date in which the discount applies, I also could set up a sliding discount by setting up, for example, in days before charter, so I could set up also a discount of 10% for all charters done or confirmed 120 days before check-in day. So now I have inserted all my standard discounts, and in my next video I will explain you more details about custom discounts and custom packages. I hope you enjoy working with YachtSys.